What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla stock price action. Let's see what it is doing. We have a red candle today. Are we still in that uptrend, or are we again at the mercy of broken structure? And do we have to still wait for Tesla again to capture some levels and become bullish? Is that the thing after today's candle, or are we still just bullish and there is no problem with the price structure and action? We'll talk about all of that in this video. I'll also take you over Tesla's options data today, and then also there are a couple of articles and news as well on Tesla. We'll be talking about that as well. And guys, don't forget to check out today. I bought more YTSL, that is the Tesla's ETF, and this is on my Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. You can find the link to this channel as well in the description of this video. Definitely, guys, if you want to follow along here, I will be building portfolios, and this is dividend-based portfolios. And if you want to follow along as how we make the moves, what is the status of the portfolio, how much growth, or if we are going in positive or negative direction, everything, all the updates will be here, guys. So, and the objectives, just check out these videos, and definitely if you want to follow along, hit the subscribe on this channel as well. So guys, with that, let's come back here on Tesla and let's talk about a couple of things today regarding first some of the news that we have. So we have a Tesla must face negligence fraud-based claims over self-driving features, federal judge rules. Negligence and fraud-based claims against Tesla regarding its alleged misrepresentation of its vehicle's autopilot capabilities may go forward to the extent they rely on representations regarding the car's hardware and imminent cross-country driving abilities. Judge Rita Lynn ruled Wednesday in the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California. Well, okay, so I am not really understanding that what type of misrepresentation it is on the full self-driving and why is it fraud-based claims. Again, I don't think that, I think it's just that so I just feel like sometimes Elon is the single person on his own trying to get things going, to grow, to make things work. And unfortunately, guys, I see a lot that mostly in the world we find, a lot of people are sitting just to destroy others, and they will come with all the negativity, right? Unfortunately, that's the reality of life. And if you want to do something better, you want to grow and make something, make the world better, or do something good for the environment, the situation, for yourself, for others. Yes, it's a difficult path to choose because you will be met with a lot of resistance from people who want to bring you down all the time, because they inside themselves are not positive people, right? But hey, that's something, is the resilience that we need to have inside us, but to keep going on in our direction, right? So, but anyways, I'm going on a philosophical route, and this is not the video for that. So maybe I should start another channel of Junior Trader Philosophy. But anyways, so let's stick back to the technicals here. And well, I want to go over, I think that's the only important one that I want to go over. And then we had, so here's the thing, that today, well, inflation data came happy for the market. Look at the QQQ and SPY all-time high, right? I talked about it in the morning as well. I'll do another video dedicated to QQQ and SPY as well today with the tech stocks, but just showing you market has been going all-time highs. So is Nvidia really ripping it. Unfortunately, Tesla had a down day. Not just Tesla, you can see NIO is like 7% down, Zeekr is 3% down, Tesla is almost 2% down, right? So, but anyways, yeah, it's, as for the, really the things on the EVs are to the downside today, but never mind. Let's go through the technicals now, guys, and let's talk about that price structure. So we are still above 20 and 50 days moving average, right? And from last 2 days, let's go to the hourly interval now. From last 2 days, we have been on this uptrend, and I have been talking about this already, that I provided you an uptrend before this uptrend even happened. So 2 days, good money made, right? And I was saying that, guys, today, well, we are still bullish as long as we hold above this channel trend lines, two channel trend lines over here. Unfortunately, yes, we were going great in the pre-market above $180. Looks like we got our next significant level above that, but once market opened, this thing just flushed and came back below 200 hours moving average. So it is still an overhead resistance. We broke the channel support lines as well, and yes, that was the break of structure, guys, on intraday, right? We coming back pretty much 200 hours moving average, and losing the first trend line was in itself, I mean, the first candle itself, guys, was so massive. And if I show you on the 5 minutes interval, the first candle itself was so massive that that candle pretty much broke the structure, right? And yeah, unfortunately, we came lower, and we found some support at our day trading levels plus, marked by my indicator. Rebounded a little bit, quite not much, and then we fell by the end of the day pretty much close to the low area of today, right? So yes, as I am saying that as I said yesterday, as long as we are above this trend line channel and we keep the structure above 180 today, if we could have closed above that, that was awesome. But the problem is that we didn't close even above the next significant level, 175. We broke below that, and in the retest we rejected over that, and then we have fallen as well for the rest of the day. You can see that on 5 minutes again, we couldn't establish ourselves above that 175, so we have lost that level. So yes, on intraday though, the structure is not bullish right now. But what about swing? Well, as you know, intraday structure was pretty much broken over here in the trend lines, as what I said to look for as well. This is where the structure will start to look to the downside if we lose all of this on intraday. But what about swing, junior trader? All right, well, so on swing side, guys, we are not fully bearish though right now. We are holding still above 20 and 50 days moving average from where the price is. We still have a previous pivot. Now, but we are 50-50 on swing. What does it mean? So it means that we are not fully bullish, but we are not fully bearish, but we are in the transitioning phase. Now, if Tesla can close above 175 tomorrow, this might be the new higher low pivot already in the recently ongoing uptrend, which is right now getting weaker on swing, right? So we need to get above 175 and close above 175 tomorrow. We are not far away from that. We are just 80 cents away right now, and we are still holding 50 hours moving average. Now we are almost 74 cents away. So price just moved a little bit in the post market. So yes, if tomorrow we close above 175, yes, intraday even play to the upside is above $175. But if we keep rejecting here and lose 50 hours moving average tomorrow, we have again a room to fall to $170 on the intraday, right? And on hourly interval, guys, we need to close a day above 200 hours moving average as well eventually to continue confirmed upside as well from thereafter. So on swing, we are right in the middle, transitioning phase. Bulls and the bears 50-50. Intraday, we are bearish. We got bearish pretty much once we broke the structure here in the trend lines. We started losing level by level. Let me check something here real quick on my indicator. So intraday depth level is also something that would help. Here you go. And this was another level. Once we lose this level, the structure started to shift with the trend line, with the loss of intraday levels, losing 200 hours moving average. So yeah, intraday, if we want to get bullish first, we got to get above 175. And on the swing side, I would say, yes, there will be a good chance of continuing this. We still have a higher pivot, right? But we want to confirm this pivot by getting above 175 and closing above that. And tomorrow, if we can also close above 20 hours moving average, that will be great as well. All right, so that's Tesla for you guys in the price action for the day, right? Now I want to take you over the options data. All right, so not much has changed on the calls and the puts. I'm seeing on the incremental basis, calls have been increasing decently, and so are the puts have been increasing decently at the same price range. Puts intraday though, I think these are intraday puts that have increased at 170. And that could have been for the reason that, guys, when Tesla started falling today, many would have opened the puts for 170, which is still quite far though. Yeah, like in the structure, 170 puts are, I don't think they're gonna make money right away. There's a lot of sitting consolidation over there. Yeah, but well, guys, options doesn't tell you where the price action is going to go. It just tells you that what's the sentiment of the traders is like. And what I'm seeing is that intraday, you know, guys, yes, sorry, I just noticed something. Let me correct something real quick. The black line, which is the current closing price, is at a wrong place. It has to be between 172 and 175 here. Let me correct that real quick. All right, it's corrected, guys. So yeah, so now it makes sense, right? Like, yeah, so those puts 170 are still far-fetched, but I think mostly they're related to the day trading puts. So yeah, calls, again, there's a balance of power between calls and the puts for this week, guys. I know in previous weeks we have seen quite a disparity. One side would be really spiky, other side would be lower, but this week seems like it's a good balance on both sides of where the price is right now. We'll see. We will see. So guys, well, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below. Also, as I said, don't forget to check out this channel if you are interested to follow along in the journey of this portfolio that I'm building. And guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.